Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this video, we will discuss that what are the main points that are very much necessary for our digital marketing strategy. There are 6 points that are the basics for the digital marketing strategy. If we are using all these 6 points, it means that we are employing the basics points of the digital marketing strategy. If one of these points is missing, it means that your digital marketing is not digital marketing and it is not up to the mark. These are the basic 6 points, and further these points can be increased. So the first point is the content creation. You need to create your content, your audios, your videos, your visuals, your images, your blogs, your posts. All these things are the content creation. So content creation is the first point. If you are creating content, if you yourself cannot create content, you need to hire someone to create content for your business. Without content, there is no business. There is no digital marketing without content. So content is the king. The first thing is the content creation. So create your content, and the second thing is to create your website. Website is your own media on which all the content is in your own custody. The second thing, very important, is the creation of your website on which you can post your different kinds of business products, your services, everything that you want to sell. You can post everything on your website. And the third thing is SEO. You need to hire an SEO expert, or you need to, if you are knowing yourself, that's very good. SEO is very important to get organic reach, increase the reach of your content, your audios, your videos, your blogs, your posts can get viral if your SEO is up to the mark. And fourth thing is the social media marketing. You need to target the social media platforms: WhatsApp, Twitter, Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, because all the traffics, people are using different kinds of social media platforms according to their choices. They are not always ready to go to your website and see your products. You need to target your audience on the social media. If you are targeting your audience on the social media, if they get interested by your products, your services, you can easily direct them to your website. You need to provide audios, videos, images, posters, different kinds of blogs on the social media with your link of your website, and the people will reach to your website through this social media platform. So this is very important step in the social media marketing strategy or the digital marketing strategy. And the fifth thing is the ads. You need to run ads on social media and on your website, because without ads, organic reach is very, very difficult. Everyone cannot get the organic reach easily. So we need to focus on the ads. It is the ads. You can increase your followers, your subscribers, your reach will be increased, and if you are posting something, it will be in the reach of many people, many accounts. So if your followers increased by organic method, it's very good. If it is not increasing by the organic method, by SEO, you need to focus on the ads. If you are running ads, your reach will be increased, and with increased reach, you can increase your business. Your products, your services, and your offers will be reached to the people within no time. So it's very important.
And the last point is email marketing. Thanks for watching.